In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find journal entries on QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to refresh your skills, these simple steps will guide you through accessing your financial data with ease. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to QuickBooks Online, open up your web browser and type in the QuickBooks Online address. It's always a good idea to bookmark this page if you're going to be using it frequently, as it will save you some time in the future. Once you've reached the QuickBooks Online page, you'll notice a sign in button located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the sign in page where you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. You should now see a field for your email and another for your password. Carefully type in your email address and your password. It's important to double check your entries to avoid any sign in issues. A little tip here, ensure that your caps lock key isn't on by mistake, as passwords are case sensitive. After entering your email and password, locate the sign in button on this page. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed. This will take you directly into your QuickBooks Online dashboard, which is the main hub for all your financial activities and reports. Now that you're signed in, we're going to navigate to the Reports tab. The Reports tab is where you'll have access to a wide range of detailed financial information, including the journal entries we're looking for. Simply hover over the menu options on your dashboard until you locate the Reports tab and give it a click. Within the Reports section, you'll notice there are several tabs and sections available to you. Our focus today will be on the Standard tab, so move your mouse over that area and click it open. This is where you'll find a variety of common financial reports that every business needs to track. After opening the Standard tab, look for a section labelled For My Accountant. This section is specifically designed to house reports that are crucial for accounting purposes, including journal entries. It should be easy to spot, but take a moment to explore your surroundings if you're unfamiliar with the layout. Once you've found For My Accountant, click on it. You'll see more options relative to accounting needs, and this is where all those critical financial details reside. Finally, to view the journal entries, you'll want to click on the Journal option within this section. Clicking this will open up a detailed view of all the journal entries that have been recorded in your QuickBooks account. This is a fantastic way to get a clear and organized look at your financial transactions. And there you have it, a straightforward process to navigate through QuickBooks Online and access your journal entries. Remember, being familiar with your financial records not only helps keep your accounts in order, but also provides meaningful insights into the financial health of your business. As we wrap up, I'd like to remind you that consistent and accurate bookkeeping is key to effective financial management. Taking the time to understand these tools and features will definitely pay off in the long run. If you're ever in doubt or face any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to QuickBooks support or consult your accountant for further guidance. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful QuickBooks tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.